Hello! Welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today is the 74th day. I'll show you how to cook tofu Hamburg steak. I've already introduced some kinds of tofu dishes such as hiyayakko, agedashi tofu, and tofu shiratama dumplings. Tofu is rich in high-quality protein and has low calories, so it makes dishes healthy. Today, I'll put tofu in Hamburg steak. Well, let's get started cooking. First, I'm gonna make garnishes, so heat a pan on medium heat and put vegetable oil in it. Then fry sliced pumpkin. When it changed color, flip it and add little water and put a lid. Then steam it until it gets soft. Okay, then put shiitake mushroom in it and sprinkle salt and pepper. And fry them. Oh, I forgot to remove the stem. And fry it. Okay, turn off the heat. So, pumpkin and mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and pumpkin, shiitake mushroom and tomato there for garnish. Next, peel and grate radish. Peel and grate it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make ponzu sauce, so put sugar, mirin, sake, and ponzu in a pot. Then heat it until it boils. Okay, it's boiling now, so turn off the heat. This is ponzu sauce. Then I'm gonna make tofu Hamburg patties, so peel and mince the onion. Okay. And mix onion with meat. Do you remember yesterday I fried onion before mixing with meat? But today I mix fresh onion with it. By doing so, the Hamburg steak will be juicy. So put here. And sprinkle salt and pepper over meat. Add nutmeg. pop, pop, pop. Then put tofu, silk tofu in it. Then put breadcrumbs. Yesterday I soaked breadcrumbs in milk, but today I don't put milk because the tofu has enough water, so I don't need to add milk in the patties. So put only breadcrumbs. Okay. And crack egg. Then knead them very well. Okay, then shape them into oval. And make a dent in the middle, like this. Okay, so it's time to fry them. So heat a pan and put Hamburg patties in the pan. When the bottom sides turn to golden brown color, flip them. How is it? Oh, okay. Good color. Then add water and put a lid on the pan and steam it until the water has almost gone. Oh, okay, it's almost good color. Okay. And serve them on a plate. Then put Japanese basil on the Hamburg steak and put grated Japanese radish on it and garnish with pumpkin and shiitake mushroom and tomatoes. Okay, and last, pour the ponzu sauce. That's it. Okay, it's time to eat. いただきます。Ponzu sauce is so refreshing, so it's very delicious. You should try it. Well, tomorrow I'll cook one more kind of Hamburg steak. So see you tomorrow.